Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to ask a mentor or leadership expert a question. So, this is the exciting part of being a member that you have so many women on here that are experienced leaders and have been through the leadership journey that you are going through now. So, this community is your place to come out and not only network with other women leaders, but to come out and ask for specific advice for issues that you're faced with. Yes, you can go out and do your Google search and find tons of articles and videos, but this is really targeted one on one advice specific to your situation that you can get advice on from experienced women leaders. So, to do that, you're going to come to your dashboard, which you should be very familiar with at this point. But if you don't know how to get to your dashboard, you want to go to our website, which is thebosstrack.com. And in the upper right hand corner, click on sign in. And once you sign in to the community, it will bring you directly to this dashboard. Again, I have to say it, make sure that your profile is updated. It's always helpful. It'll give a little more information to any leader out there who wants to give you advice. So, to ask a question is very simple. You want to come down here to the section, What are you looking for today? And click on this box called Ask Anything and click there. And you'll see here that there are discussions out here with people asking questions and receiving replies. To start your discussion, you want to click on this button that says New Discussion on the right. And a box will open up where you want to enter your discussion title. So I'm going to create a discussion about micromanaging, how to get past micromanaging. Now, once you enter your discussion title, you want to go ahead and type in the question that you have. So I'm going to paste the question that I have here for time's sake. And once you type that in, get it all situated with what you want to ask, the more information, the better that you provide here. But any of the experienced mentors will reach out to you for additional information if they can't answer it based on what you have here. So don't worry about that. Once you type that in, go ahead and click on this Notify Me of Replies via email so you know when someone has replied to your question and you don't have to keep checking on it. Once you get that all set up and ready to go, you just click on Post. And once that's posted in the forum, it will show up here. And when you go back out to the dashboard, and you can see here, you have a discussion that you can view. You can get to it there, or you can also come back down to this Ask Anything box, click here, and you'll see here that I posted a question on how to get past micromanaging. And I can see that I have notifications turned on because I have this little radio button here and I'm subscribed to this discussion. So that's it. When you get a reply to your question, you will be able to reply to the responder by clicking on this reply button and entering information. So we hope this tutorial was helpful and hope you take advantage of this valuable advice that you can get here as part of your membership. And look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.